Welcome to Affinity Greens, where high-class living is the essence of your dream home. We spend our life earning money so that later we can live a life with peace and worth your hard work. Affinity Greens provides you everything blended in with luxurious amenities and green habitat. Just 5 minutes from Chandigarh, Affinity Green is located at Pier 7, Airport Road, Zirakpur, in a middle ground of tranquility and yet not free from the city. With easily accessible shopping malls and grocery stores, you can get there at no time. And if you crave for food like me, then you have many bestsellers over here like KFC's, McDonald's and many more. Now let's get inside the Affinity Greens, which is spread over 6 acres of land. They have got amazing amenities and modern luxurious design, which I'll just show you while getting inside. Before going to the 4 BHK apartment, let me give you a little overview of the Affinity Towers. It also gives you choice between 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments, which makes Affinity Greens a new address for dream living. The most attractive site is the Club Epicuria, where you will enjoy a fully equipped gymnasium, a kids play area, an energetic party hall and beautifully designed rooftop party area. The landscape of Affinity Towers is built with the utmost perfection, providing residents with highly tailored apartments with highest imagination. They have also got the skating rink, amazing open-air theatre and many other facilities, providing you with affordable, sustainable and amazing living. The Central Park is the heart of the project, giving everyone residing here the experience of greenery. The comfort of senior citizens is also kept in mind and given the chance to enjoy the beautiful surroundings with elegant gazebos, meditation corners, and to lead a healthy lifestyle. Jogging and walking tracks are also included. The 4 BHK apartments make a resident to feel alive and also gives them the satisfaction of living in their dream home. The living area has immaculate spacious design and first-class amenities, and I really love how comfortable and amazing everything feels. We have got digital vitrified tiles and high-quality laminated flush doors. The 4 BHK apartment has area of 2265 square feet with perfectly designed bedrooms for supreme living. The balcony curated with a fabulous structure where you can blissfully enjoy your evenings. The master bedrooms have amazing design wardrobes with easy organization and classy touch. The washrooms have mirror finished glazed tiles installed up to the ceiling height and acrylic emulsion. The sanitary fittings are by the brand Kohler, which gives your bathroom a classy touch and durability. The kitchens are installed with the premium fittings, which is giving an extraordinary effect. The overall experience of Affinity Greens will make you feel like that you are living in a paradise because of its gorgeous surroundings and the overall look. The apartments are designed not only keeping in mind your comfort and luxury, but also your safety throughout the years. These switches and MCB installed are of Havells to protect you from the electrical accidents. The fire-resistant and low-smoke wires used in these apartments are also not being used by any other project in this region. For the easy access to your apartments, the high-speed lifts by Schindler are installed to give you best in everything. Best-in-class pipes by Astral Plumbing are also mounted. Virgo laminates and plywood furniture is also used. Doors and windows are of German UPVC strength, and we also have our kitchen of the Hepele and Hetic fittings, which are keeping our things very organized and accessible. The Affinity Greens gives you coziness and indulgence with its green ambience. It also gives you security, safety, and everything bundled with it. This is the extraordinary gorgeous area of rooftop in Affinity Greens. You can party all night over here under the billions of stars and you can enjoy yourselves. Your dream home is coming at life at full pace. The construction here is going on at full swing. At last, this is what you have been looking for, an invitation to your eternal comfort. Affinity Green provides you with spectacular view and a feeling of luxurious and high-class living.